The best way to wash your hair is definitely at the river. Welcome to Good Food and Tours Jamaica, where we explore the wonders of food and the beautiful island of Jamaica. Let's start exploring. Welcome. First step, get your hair wet. It's very simple. Find a nice spot and get your hair wet. After you have gotten your hair wet, you can start putting in that shampoo. Put in all that shampoo. Just rub it up in there, rub it up in there. You can sit down or you can stand up and do this. I love to ensure that the roots to the tips of your hair have the shampoo. Rub, scrub, because of course this is your locks, your dreadlocks, whatever you call it. And it always, it tends to have the dirt latched into it. So you have to ensure that you scrub it like you're washing your clothes. If a little soap get in your eye, you just rinse it out and you continue. That's it. Two little boy decide for join the flaming. A country, you have to expect this. They must lie down. Yeah, man. And after you're finished shampooing your hair, just go ahead and just rinse it out. Let the water do it. This isn't any manual thing, man. This is this is full speed ahead. Water washing it out for you, rinsing it out for you. After you're finished, go ahead and just enjoy the rest of the day with your family.